I'll show you how you can get the sound ID in Roblox. So first we have to start off from create.roblox.com. After that, you want to go to store. Now on store, you want to go to the audio tabs, which is up here, right? Audio tabs. Now on the audio tabs here, you can just pick whichever one you want. I'm going to pick an example. I'm just going to pick electronic here. Now on electronic, I'm just going to go to this one, falling over gently. I'm going to click on the arrow here and I'm going to click on more info. Now on more info, you can see this is the ID up here. This random bunch of numbers, this is the ID. Just highlight it and then click on copy. And then now you have the ID. Now how do we use it? Now for example here, if I go to Roblox Studio, now if I want to add it, like for example, I'm going to go to workspace here and I'm going to right click and I'm going to click on insert object. Now on insert object, I'm going to go to sound. Now on sound, I'm just going to click on that. And then you can see I created a sound object. You want to scroll down until you find something called sound ID, right? Here it is, sound ID. Paste in the ID you got earlier, press enter, and then it'll load in the sound. Now you can listen. There you go. Works great.